Aloha everyone. My writing task today is using visual informations to create tests. And this activity falls into process, content, system, and genre areas. And it focuses on the ideas that students can think of and the specific language form that they would use when critiquing of pictures or image. Also the specific genre that people practice when using visual informations, and also they would draft and revise so that falls into the process areas. And the context that I'll be teaching in, it's in mainland China. I'll be teaching a class of 25 high school students in their second year, and English is their second language. Chinese is their first language, and their English proficiency level is intermediate. And this is a 30 minutes workshop that they can attend regularly to improve their writing. Because of the time limit for our assignment, so I'll be only giving the first 5 minutes of our lessons. And yeah, I'll begin right now. Okay, ni hao, everyone. Welcome to our workshop today. We'll be doing something fun today. All right, so before we go into our actual topic and writing activity, I want you to think about questions. Since we talk about the writings and the writing process, now I want you to review and think about what's your writing process and share with the person next to you. And so from the very beginning, when you have this idea, and then to the very end after you finish writing. So what's the process? Do you spend a lot of time on like thinking of idea, finding resource, or do you spread out the activities or do you do all of them on one day? Okay, so think about your writing process, anything that you can think of, and share with your elbow mate. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to do so. Ready, set, go. Okay, time's up. I heard some good idea, but I also noticed that some students are still struggling with the writing process. Now, today we're gonna talk about something similar, and it helps us to review and examining our writing process, okay? So I have these pictures here. It's titled The Paper Writing Process. So there's not many words or steps here, but you can see but we can still understand and guess the writing process for this little girl, right? Through the thoughts and the time language here. So I will give you 30 seconds to review and look at these pictures carefully, and like the pictures, any elements in these pictures, and think of what this pictures is trying to tell us and what did you learn from it? Is it good or bad? Okay, so time, ready, set, go. All right, so time's up again. I know you all been thinking and looking at the pictures. I know you all have some like ideas what to share. Now I will put you all into groups and share with your classmate what you can think of from these pictures, or what triggers or what are some idea comes to your mind as you look at these pictures, okay? I'll give you 1 minute to discuss. Ready, set, go. Okay, now 10 seconds, time's up. Good, I heard some good discussions, and I know that you all have a lot of different ideas, and I know that this picture is trying to tell us something about writing process, if it's good or bad, and what this little girl does for her writing process. So now, based on these pictures and what this picture is trying to tell us, we will write about it. Okay, so you're gonna explain what's in the pictures and what this picture is trying to teach us. At the end, you need to call for an action, initiate an action that you can do that's related to your writing process, okay? So since we will make a suggestions or make a claim, we will use some outside source. So I want you to find some outside source that's outside of this class or this workshop that can help support your claim or your actions. Okay, so you can do this, and after you're finding the source, filter them and then write an outline of what you're gonna say. I'm not gonna give you a link of this task because I don't want to limit your thinking. So because I know this pictures can trigger a lot of great ideas. So just put all your ideas down, and as long as it related to the pictures in the writing process, that's okay. But at least you need to have 2 paragraphs, but I'm not gonna limit the length, okay? So yes, you can work on it now, and that's it. Thank you.